Hey everyone, this is our Sunday stock watch for December 29th. We are almost over with 2024. So, before we get into economic data, this week the market will be closed Wednesday, January 1st, but the market is not going to be closing early on the 31st. So, just keep that in mind and remember that. So, we only have one day of the market being closed this week, which means most likely Monday, Tuesday, there's not going to be too much going on. Even Thursday and Friday, beginning of the year shouldn't be a whole lot until we get to next week. But again, we'll see what happens. So Monday, we don't have much news at all. Same with Tuesday, and then obviously Wednesday. And then Thursday, we do have initial jobless claims and construction spending, and then ISM manufacturing. So not much at all going on for data this next week. So that's a good thing. Let's get into what we are looking like. So Qs, obviously Friday we got a little bit of downside, more than I initially expected. And then we chopped after that. So it wasn't too much of an exciting day. I was on vacation, so I wasn't really trading all too much, just checking in here and there. But anyways, for opening up tomorrow, if we are more bullish than I am expecting to see 525, even 527 area. If we are not, then I would expect to see below 520. But we do have a good amount of support around this 519 area, so we will see. I will be surprised if we do go below there tomorrow, but again, we will see. And then SPY, same sort of thing with SPY. We'll be expecting 600 if we do get some bullishness. If we do not, then I would be looking towards around 592 area, 591. We do have a good amount of support there as well, so I will once again be a little bit more surprised if we get that much downside. Next, I will take a look at Tesla. Tesla's been doing pretty well, obviously, just this past week. Not the best, but it's okay. Mostly everything had a little bit of a selling off, somewhat on Friday. But anyways, Tesla, I would like to see back around 450 area if we get some bullishness. If we don't, I don't expect not to stop holding up this area, this 430 area. So if we don't continue to hold that up, we will most definitely see into 420, even 410. But I don't really see a reason why that would happen. So we'll see. But yeah, Nvidia, I really like a lot. We've been holding up 535 very nicely for this past week. Again, we will see what happens, but there's very strong support at 135. If we do break below there, then I would expect to see 132 area. But again, I don't know how much more bearishness we're gonna get these next couple days. I really doubt we'll get much. But on the upside, if we do get a good amount of bullishness, I would like to see us reaching 140 once again. So 138, 139 area, reaching 140. Maybe we'll get above if we're lucky. SMCI hasn't been doing that well, but if we do get bullishness, I would like to see above 34, reaching to 35 area. Below there, we could definitely see back down to 30, even 29 area. Bitcoin has not been doing that well, so I mean, it has of course been doing really well, but this past weekend, not the best. So we would need to see some sort of bounce in Bitcoin to see coin really get going. If we don't see that, then don't expect coin to really even move much. So I would say we keep trading around like 260 area. If Bitcoin doesn't move much, if we do get some bullishness, we could see back up to 280 once again. But if we see more bears coming in, we could definitely see to around 258 even. This would be a reach, but even 250 area. But again, we will see. Apple's been doing extremely well, so I would still keep an eye on that. We could see back up to this 259 area, but if we don't, then I would just keep your eye on it. I'm not really looking for too much downside on something that is moving so bullish. Other than that, let's take a look at Meta real quick. And then that'll probably be it. Again, we do have a short week. You shouldn't be trading too much on a short week, but again, if there are any good setups you want to take, definitely. But Meta, so above 599, we'll see into 600, and above 600, if we do end up holding that, I would like to see around 610. But if we do get bearishness tomorrow, then we could see back down to around 590 on Meta. Again, not really something that's a super big watch for me. Doesn't look like it's going to move all too much. But obviously, I'm going to keep my eye out this week. I'm definitely going to be on Discord tomorrow. I'm going to be live tomorrow for my people in Premium. But other than that, again, when it's a short week, there's not too much volume. So we'll see what happens. But don't be expecting to take a bunch of trades this week. And please don't overtrade at all this week. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. But yeah, see you all in live tomorrow.